Hey everybody, Mike here. We are back with another video. I'm kind of picking up steam here on this little YouTube thing. Yeah, we're getting subscribers, we're getting views, getting that revenue up there. So today I thought we would test some products. We're going to go back and visit a car that hasn't been on the channel in a while. You know, we haven't seen the car in a little while. Is it the S63? Nope. What about Millie, the 1975 MG Midget? Nope. Could it be the 560 SEL? Nope. Or could it be the 560 SEC? Nope. What about the Bummer Beamer? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, love that. Wrong car. Or what about this? The brand new to me CLK 320? Nope, still not the right car. Could it be Frida, the car that I got for free in Arkansas? Duh. Nope. How about this? Can I interest you in an S55 AMG? Great car. Wrong one. This says S320. Nope, it's the S500 from 1997. Had this car forever. Is she due for a video? Yes. Is this the video? No. What about this car right here, the S500? Nope, this one hasn't run for years. Or could it be Frightening Frida, the 1969 Mercedes 280 SE with a ghost? Nope, wrong car. So what's the only car left? What's the only car left in the collection we haven't talked about? Here she is. The better Beamer, the 330 Ci from 2005. We spent a little time with her and she's looking much better. Monkey, Ren, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, this is it. This is my 2005 330 Ci. We call her the better Beamer. We got the Bummer Beamer out front, which is a bummer, and I've got lots of big news about that car. Oh, this is the better one. Even though she's kind of scratched up right here, I do love the car. We just haven't devoted a whole lot of time to her. So we're going to try 3 products today in one video and see if they are any good. First though, we got to wash her up and make her pretty. Let's do that.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain.
We've got the car in the operating room. Okay, I call the back garage. Still working on her, absolutely working on her. I call the back garage my operating room. Front garage is triage. That's a big effing dog. Okay, he is so sweet, but he pees every time he gets excited. So we can't let him get excited. Because if he does, he starts to squirt. And we don't like that, do we? Good boy. You're so pretty. Here, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Yes, sir. Good boy. Okay, super sweet. Those Great Danes are sweet. Very timid. Okay, anyway. So, we had the car parked under my neighbor's gigantic tree. Okay, and we got sap on it. So, what I'm trying to do is to get rid of all the sap. And so I've been using the old standby. Yeah, clay bar. Clay bar. And it's done pretty well, but it's taken so much scrubbing. Let me show you what it looks like on the other side. That's a gigantic bug. Flying bug. Okay, can you see all that? Yeah. See? That's all sap. And if you put your hand in a plastic bag, it magnifies the feeling. And you can feel every little bump, okay? So, the trunk looked like that. And I tried the clay bar, and I tried it, and I tried it, and I tried it, and it worked pretty well. It's going to take me 6 years, okay, to do the car. And that's just the trunk and the hood. We're going to try this. Why? Because I watched a Chris Fix video. Yes, sirree. I watched one of his videos, and he tried 7 different products. He didn't try the clay bar. He tried some bug and tar remover from 3 different makers. He tried mayonnaise, peanut butter, pine sol soap, soap and water, mayonnaise. What other things did he try? And rubbing alcohol. Yep, and guess which one? This one did. So what I want to do is just give this a quick little try and see how it does. Okay, so we're going to do this on the camera. And we're just going to kind of see how this works, okay? Okay, can you see all of that? Look at all that stuff. Yeah, that's all tar. That's all tar. So let's just kind of see. You're kidding me, right? Okay, this is 5 times faster than the clay bar. Holy moly, look at this. And if you left it on there, get out, it would be even quicker. But this is just taking it right off. Oh, hallelujah. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Okay, here's one. There it goes. It's gone. See that one? It's gone. Chris Fix is a god among men. Sorry about this, baby Jesus. You're the real thing. Anyway, Chris Fix is good. But look at this. Oh, we're gonna have this car desapped in no time. See, there's another one. Okay, it's getting a little dry. Here we go. And look, gone, gone. There's one. Gone. Okay, we're gonna do some desapping. I can't believe this has worked so well. Okay, there's a big one that the clay bar didn't even pick up. There's another one. Here's one. You just feel like you're at the hospital though. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so let's go to the front. Let's try this on the front and just see what it does. We're just gonna pour a little bit on it. Okay, can you see all that? Look at that. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna let it kind of sit there for a while. Here we go. Okay, here's a good one right there. You ready? Gone. These are thick chunks of sap, okay? Here we go. And look at that. Okay, we're gonna have this car done in just a few minutes. Okay, you don't need to watch that, but you just need to learn how well isopropyl alcohol actually works. You are kidding me. Okay, we're back with a clean car in just a minute. Then I think we're gonna focus on the top. Now that the car's all washed, you notice we still haven't put on a new headlight. Yeah, remember the a-hole that sold me that piece of crap? It took over like 2 months, and he sends me a piece of crap, rusted out, flooded hunk of junk headlight. Yeah, for $200. Well, he's messaging me again since everybody is contacting him, and he has given me a tracking number, and he said he's going to put it in the mail and I should have it tomorrow or Wednesday. Guess what? The package hasn't even reached USPS yet. He's done this 3 times before. He gives me some made-up tracking number, and he never ships the packages. Yeah, let me put the message up, okay? He said he's going to send it. Yeah, once again, fail. This guy, I'm not going to wait anymore, okay? By Wednesday, if I don't have it, I'm going to unleash the hounds of hell and Lola, and we're going to attack this kid because I want my money back, and I'm going to end up buying a headlight from a reputable eBay dealer. I'll probably spend $300 on it, but I can't take this anymore. I can't wait. Let me show you how beautiful. I haven't even waxed it yet. I have this new wax I want to try, but look at that. Look at all, okay, we do have some little road rash marks here, but look, it's like a whole new-ish car, okay? I need to get some paint and kind of fill in these little bits and chunks here, but anyway, look at that. Chris Fix. No wonder you have like 8 bajillion followers on YouTube. Look at that. Look. Mothers. Ha! Isopropyl, yes sirree Bob. And my Coca-Cola. All right? We are so happy about this. That is gorgeous. Now, let's see what we can do about that. We have assembled the gang. The gang's all here. And this is the product that we're going to be testing because it has great reviews. I've read really good things about this. Protex Canvas Restore. So basically, you mask off the areas you don't want black. You shake this up really, really well. You use a nice clean paintbrush. You dab it in this. You start in the middle, and you work your way out. Okay? So you work your way out. Let it dry 3 hours. It may take 2 coats. I'm hoping it will help, but I don't know what happened up here. A power washer with the little swirly marks? I don't know. We're going to give this a try. And I'm hoping it might just work. We have her all taped off, okay? We want to protect the paint. I'm not worried about the windows and the windshield because you can scrape that off. I got to tell you, I got some on my fingers, and so I immediately put on gloves. So this is the before. I'll see if I can take a picture, and then we'll put it side by side, and especially right here. That's horrible. Okay, so this will be the before picture, and then we'll put up the after picture right there. Here's how the process went. And there you have it. That's 1 coat. And the stripes didn't come out. Well, depending on the angle, it doesn't look too bad. Anyway, I like what it's doing though. I mean, it's got to dry, and I put like several coats right across here because this was really worn, and there's a dot right on top, like right there that I had to get to. So we'll let this dry overnight. As you can see, it is night. And we'll come back in the morning, open the garage, and see what she looks like. I don't know what they were doing trying to clean this top, but I don't want to replace it. I just don't know what I can do. Okay, anyway, it looks better, I think. And that good old isopropyl alcohol, if I dripped any paint, dye on the paint, took it right off. I'm gonna wax the car. Tomorrow morning. I got a new kind of wax I'm going to give it a try too. But she's looking pretty. She's looking really, really nice. So we're back the next morning. You want to see the result? I'm about 80% happy. Okay? Happy, 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 not happy. And then you got the little pattern. Yep, okay. I can't tell you how many times I dyed this part right here, but I have just enough left to do it one more time. Other than that, look at it. I think it looks really good. I'm still working on that spot right there. I've dyed that like 100 times as well. Okay? But just as a color, let me wipe the lens off so you get the full effect. There we go. There we go. Just back it up. Okay. Look past the marks. Just look at the color. I like the color. I really, really do. Okay, so we've got all the tar removed from the paint. We're 90% done with the top. I'm going to put another coat of stuff just right there on the bar. Okay, just right here. And it's going to be time to wax, and we're going to try a new wax. Okay, I bought a new wax. This is my Coca-Cola. This is my wax. Let me tell you about the wax here just a second. This is what we're using. Auto Magic Ceramic Magic Ceramic Spray Protective Long Last Finish. The guys at the paint store swore by this. Okay, so we've taken this out. We put it in the spray bottle over here. Basically, you spray a light mist, you wipe it, you let it dry to almost a haze, and then you buff it off. It's supposed to last a long time. Look at those directions there. Yowza. This whole thing was like 19 bucks, if I remember right. Okay? Let's go ahead and dye that. Then we're going to make sure all of the dye is off of the paint. We'll take off the protective little tape there, and then we're going to get to some ceramic magic. Lo and behold, I got to tell you, this magic ceramic stuff is magic. Look at that. Don't look at the dog's butt. Look at this. Look at the car's butt. It shines so well. And I was putting this on, and I thought, why is this dog walking back and forth? Anyway, I thought that it wasn't going to shine up very well. You literally spray it on, wipe it, and then buff it off. And that's it. And I forgot to hit the record button when I did that. But look at the results. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Let me back it up a little bit. There we go. Look at the results. Okay? Love it, love it, love it. So I got to tell you, for a product, this ain't too shabby. Ceramic Magic, it really is nice. I got a whole bottle of this stuff right here in my spray bottle. Spray it on, wipe it so that it's all over the place. Let it almost dry to a haze, and you buff it off. Easiest thing I've ever put on. We'll see how long it lasts, though. And literally, for like 18 bucks for a whole gallon of that stuff, I don't think you can beat it. I don't think you can, and legend agrees, right? Right? He's a little camera shy. Yes, you are. You don't know what I'm doing, do you? Yep, that's the thing about Great Danes. They're huge, but they're very timid. Lola. Watch what Lola does. Come here. Lola. Watch this. She'll come up to me. If he lets her. Yeah, she comes right to me. And now with her, he's brave. Yeah. But anyway, there we go. Lola the sheepadoodle with her kind of new haircut. She goes to the beauty parlor tomorrow to shave her hoo-ha. Okay, and finally, as we kind of wrap up the video right here, let's do this. Okay, let's not focus on my license plate. Come on. You literally just worked. You literally just worked. You gotta throw the code at the car. Come on. There it goes. Ah! It unlocks whenever it wants to. I think I've discovered our problem with the convertible top. One of the issues, the top doesn't go down. It's one of the few remaining problems. This car is such a joy to drive, and it's so much quieter and so much more well-made than the 135i, the Bummer Beamer. It's incredible, but the top doesn't go down. Okay, the top doesn't go down on the Bummer Beamer anyway. But I can show you what's going on here because we are gonna address this issue right here. Okay, something's missing from the picture. This is the hydraulic pump for the convertible top. Fluid is here. It's supposed to be up here. There's your full mark right there. We're missing this much fluid. So we're gonna put some fluid in here in another video, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna trace the leak and get the top to work. It's kind of wet on the bottom, but I'm really concerned about one of the hydraulic cylinders. And if you know much about these E46 BMWs, it's the one that's kind of in here-ish, and it will leak right there. So we're gonna try to fill it up with fluid. I have to go by and get the fluid, and then we'll see if we have a leak right there. We're gonna get that fixed, because I think I have a person that wants to buy this car, and it's the person who I fixed his AC. Could it be my friend Mike? Does he want the car? His kids love it. They called it a Bugatti instead of a BMW. But I love this car, but I think it needs to go to a family that can really, really, really enjoy it. I gotta focus on Janice. Terrifying Janice. And maybe time for the better Beamer to go to a better home. Whew! Tilt the camera, makes you look skinny. There we go. All right, that's going to do it for now, folks. Want to say thank you for another video. More likes, more subscribes, everything else is going on. Come on and say goodbye to all your friends. Come here. Come on. There you go. She goes to the groomer tomorrow so I can see her eyes. I gave her her own funny little haircut with her boots. We're still working on that. You're going to go get pretty. You're going to go get pertified tomorrow. You're going to get pertified tomorrow. Okay, folks. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And for everybody who's asking about the duck, Lucky Duck, he's still around. He looks completely different, and I'll tell you why in the next video. Ha! All right, once again, if you want those stickers, you know the Cash App, BenzGuy99, $3, include your address, and I'll send them. I've got them going all over the world, and don't forget I got the Monkey Wrench Mites merchandise down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.